Welcome to CLA, guys.
Hey.
Come on in.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
This is the entrance to CLA, and today we're going to give you guys a tour of the office. So these are different conference rooms that you can sit in and you can have meetings in. There's freedom over there, independence. This is a coat room for your coats. These are some more meeting or conference rooms where you can sit in and do meetings, I guess.
Where'd you have your interview?
Yeah, oh, my interview was in this room.
Oh.
So intimidating when I first did it. But
brand new office.
But we have a lot of meetings. All of us and the other interns, all the people that work here have lots of meetings here. This one I think is really cool because we can like see people working, because these, okay guys, so these are like frosted so you can't see, and then this one isn't frosted at all so you can see whatever someone's doing. So I think that's pretty cool.
This is where people call the IRS.
Yes. So
not my words.
We're about to enter the kitchen, but this is the snack cabinet, which is my favorite place ever. They need to restock soon.
Okay, what do they have today?
We have some candy in here, more candy, some chips, more chips, and more chips, and peanut butter stuff, which Nikki can't have. We've got our soda cabinet, or soda fridge here, which has some alcohol, but we can't have any, as you guys can see.
Read the sign.
Must be 21. Shuffleboard table, which me and Nikki do over there. That's super fun.
I won.
This is another conference room. We were in there for Assurance Week. We were in there for Assurance Week, and that was super fun. This is the kitchen.
Oh, we got some cookies.
Yes, lots of cool stuff in here. You're right.
Sarah, do you want to say hi to the vlog? This is our amazing coordinator, Sarah. She's a principal. You love her?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll take you guys through the rest of the office. So this is where we sit, me and all the three other interns. We just hang out here, we go to our meetings here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Or another meeting room. And then I guess I can take you guys around the office.
What do I have to do?
Just wave.
Okay. Am I on now?
Yep. Thank you, Mike.
Yeah, it's for YouTube. Okay guys, so this is me and Nikki's favorite spot. We come here and eat lunch. It's like a little lounge area. It's super nice and fun, super comfortable. It has some of the important mascots for the schools that a lot of people from CLA went to. So the Villanova mascot, the Westchester mascot, Penn State mascot, and then we have the Eagles, Flyers, baseball. I don't know what his name is, but different sports in Philly. And that's what this wall is. And it's super comfortable. And our favorite person, Eileen, hangs out here too. Don't know if she's still here, but we love Eileen. This is the other side. This is the kitchen. It's a lot smaller, but there's that. And then this side. Hi guys. Hi.
Hello.
And then this is the other side, which is super cool. So we have this kitchen and all this.
So pretty.
So I think that concludes our tour. There's more cubicles down there, and there's bathrooms through there. But should we show them the bathroom, like the hallway to the bathroom? No. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was the tour. Peace.